Welcome back to Zappy's Detail Garage, and today we're going to be testing out which spray wax is the best. With today we have Mothers on the left, we have Zappys, then we have Meguiars, and then we have Chemical Guys that we're going to be testing out today. We also have it organized from left to right, from cheapest to most expensive, and then we're going to also be testing hydrophobic properties, how long the shine lasts, and how easily it applies, and then also how it looks once we apply it as well. So with that being said, let's get into it and let's clean the hood of the vehicle. We'll be applying the products, and what I'm going to be doing is a simple just washing the hood. I'm going to complete an iron decontamination, clay bar the vehicle. That way we're working on a clean surface, that way each product has a fighting chance. And then we're also going to be applying 2 applications of each product as well to make sure that we have a nice even coating of each product. And then when I'm going to apply it, I'm going to be spraying it on a towel liberally and then applying it onto the paint. I'm not going to spray it onto the paint because I will be worried about overspray and kind of cross-contamination, because we really want to see the true properties of each product stand alone by itself. Alright, so I have our products laid out on the hood from left to right. So we have Mothers, we have Zappys, Meguiars, and Chemical Guys. And the reason why I laid it out left to right so we can go cheapest to most expensive. Mothers is the cheapest. For a 24-ounce bottle, it retails for about $9.43. That's about 39 cents per ounce. Next, we have Zappys. For a 16-ounce bottle, it is $9.99. which comes into about 62 cents per ounce. And then we have Meguiars next, which is a 24-ounce bottle retailing for $14.99, also coming in at 62 cents per ounce. So Zappys and Meguiars have the same exact retail price. And then the most expensive product is Chemical Guys, which has retails of $17.99 for a 16-ounce bottle, which comes into about $1.12 per ounce. So that's why I laid it out from left to right. So we have the cheapest to the most expensive, and we can kind of see how each product reacts and which one is the best spray wax for, first of all, cost, durability, shine, and then hydrophobic properties as well. Now I will be doing a 1-week update after I applied these products. So after 1 week, I'm going to wash the vehicle and to see if any have failed yet, which one's still going strong. So I'll be posting a video in about 1 week for update on that. And then what I did notice while I was applying these products, all of them look the same once I applied it, besides Meguiars. And I'll show a clip on Meguiars. Meguiars actually made the paint darker and it almost looks more dull. But between Mothers, Zappys, and Chemical Guys, they all gave the same shine and glossy look. But Meguiars, for some reason, I don't know what it is with this specific quick wax they have, it made the paint darker, and I'll show the clip. It's actually really significant. So I actually do not like Meguiars right now, but we'll see how it holds up in about a week when we do our update. And I also want to note that each of these products are just spray waxes. They aren't silica, they don't have any ceramic properties, they're just regular spray waxes. But the Meguiars and Zappys both say it can be used on wet or dry paint, and they can be used as drying aids. But when I was applying these products, all of them were applying easy, but Zappys applied a lot easier because it can be used as a drying aid, so we made it with more lubricants in it. So when I was applying it and wiping it off, it felt way more slick than the other 3 brands. The other 3 brands, when I was applying it, I had to use a little bit more force and pressure to actually apply it and wipe it off, which I do not like, especially when I'm using a spray wax in the exterior of a vehicle. Now this is the hood of my vehicle, and this is an everyday car I'm driving, so you're gonna get a real world experience. I'm gonna be driving about an hour per day from my commute from home to work. Now we are in Northeast Ohio, so there is gonna be snow and rain, so this will be a real world test. And then here is the clip of the hood. You can see the right hand side is Meguiars. It looks a lot more dull, and the left hand side is Zappys. So you guys can see that major difference. Now you guys can comment below to recommend which spray waxes I should test out next once I complete this trial. And like I mentioned, I will be doing a 1 week update after it has been driving around for 1 week, and then after the initial wash to see if any products have failed. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.